Let's take you to our reporter Govan Whittles, who's been tracking that story. Govan, let's talk about the latest coming out of court today. How does the NPA feel about this decision?
Well, it's not too worried about that reserving of the judgment that you just saw there from Judge Martha Mbele, reserving judgment in the application for a special entry of irregularity after the judge decided to dismiss the application to compel the state to give the defendants more information about the case against them. The state in this case, the NPA and the investigative directorate, seeming pleased with the decision to dismiss that application, but also pleased that they'll be an opportunity to go to trial on the 23rd of January. This was the last hurdle, and now the road has been cleared for the Nulane Investment's director, as well as those who are former Free State government officials implicated in this matter, to actually stand trial. It relates to the 24.9 million rand feasibility study to set up that milk processing plant. They paid Deloitte 1.5 million rand to conduct that study. The ID's assertion is that the rest of that money made its way to a number of Gupta entities, and they've got a money trail that they'll unveil at the trial. They say the trial will also unmask the people that they believe the Gupta family used to capture the state. That's really what this is about. It's the genesis of the extradition application that will be heard in the United Arab Emirates to try and get the Gupta brothers back to South Africa to face charges related to the Nulane Investments feasibility study, more broadly the Vrede Dairy Farm project that also involves Istina, of course, that 280 million rand project for which Mosebenzi Zwane was in court. We spoke to the investigative directorate spokesperson after court just to hear what they thought about the judgment dismissing that application and how they feel about the trial. Should be noted that all of the accused said that they were ready for trial except one whose lawyer said that they would indicate on Friday whether or not their client Dinesh Patel would be able to pay their legal fees. And the NPA, the ID, saying that if he can't pay the legal fees, they'll separate him from the trial. But they're insisting it should go ahead in January next year. Let's take a look at what Cindy Siboka had to say.
So it's just a special entry that was requested by the defense after the judge found in our favor that we've provided further and better particulars. Trial will now commence next year on the 23rd of January till March. As a state, from inception, we still keep saying this, we provided full disclosure of the docket, and we've been complying with all the requests made by the accused to ourselves to assist them to best prepare for trial. We just want this matter to now be ventilated thoroughly next year.
All right, Govan, we'll leave it there for tonight.